Comfort plays a very important role when it comes to successful breast pumping. If pumping feels painful or uncomfortable, milk flow may decrease. Choosing the correct flange size for your breast pump can make a big difference. Before pumping, some mothers find it helpful to apply a warm compress or gently massage the breasts. This can help stimulate the natural milk letdown reflex. During pumping, sit in a comfortable position with your shoulders relaxed. Looking at a photo or video of your baby can also encourage milk flow. Creating a calm and consistent routine helps your body respond better to pumping sessions. When pumping becomes comfortable and stress-free, it becomes easier to maintain a long and successful breastfeeding journey.